of discomfort you feel on your feet?
Hold on. Oh my God. Oh. Lexi, trust me, you need to try this. Big up and welcome to all my Jamaica Walk by Massive. Big up every time. Look good now, man. It's another day. Blessings and respect to all Massive. Worldwide. You don't know. Blessings and love. Big up and thank you for joining another episode on Jamaica Walk by So Massive. Today is actually a day where I'm going to share a nice product with you. Alright, you understand? So, wanna just give me the product and make with a showcase it. You don't say that can hurt though. Wanna say if you just start one thing on the channel when you give me the product. Give me the product. Hashtag or tagline. Give me the product and I will showcase it to the world. Mad thing. Yeah, that's all like something can work. Give me the product. Yeah, I will just show it to the world. Yeah, straight advertisement again. So Massive. Today, actually, a company reached out to me and say, yo, you always are walking and your life is all about walking and on your foot them, you know. So, yo, we have this massage machine where after your long day of walking and stuff like that, you can just pull it out and set it up and put your foot them in it, soak and thing, and it will massage your foot. And you don't know, keep your feet them nice and soft and well relaxed. And I say, yo, that sound good enough. You understand? So, you don't know, the name of the company is actually Mountrax. You don't know, big up every time, you understand? So, the product is called Mountrax Massage or Mountrax Foot Massage. Yeah, or Mountrax Foot Massager. So, I'm actually there on my way right now. If you go pick it up at the carrier service, because them go so boom and send it in Jamaica for me get it. And thing, and me really anticipate this product and thing. So far, I look on the reviews on the product. Seems like it is very nice. The material of the product is really good. So I'm going to show you that for myself. And I'm going to try the product show you and think I know my foot them beat up and I can play ball and thing almost every day and them like sit there. So foot them not so pretty. So I want some good relaxing things on the foot them. You know what I mean? So Massive, if you watch this far, I beg you if you just like the video. Please, I beg you if you just click the like button and give it a thumbs up. You don't know, drop a comment if you know about the machine here from Mountrax. You understand? So big up to Mountrax every time for sending me this product for me to test and try and see what I'm going on. We can just go through here. So, alright, let's do this. So, yeah, Massive. So, you don't know. Yeah. So just stay tuned, watch the video, I'm going to just pick up the product, pull it out, everything, I'm going to see what it looks like, and all of that, and all of the good things them, and I'm going to see exactly. Because I know when I sell no pussy in a bag, so just like how I see it, at the same time when I go to see it too, and we are going to just use it. You see me I say? Mad love and respect, and thank you guys so much for supporting Jamaica Walk By. Big up to all of the new subscribers them too as well. Big up every time, all of the new subscribers, them much love, much respect with there. So stay tuned, let's go. That is it. So we are here and you don't know, just I'm going to show you a little bit of Jamaica same way as we go and collect the product here. You don't know, yeah, that is it. I'm even sure where carrier company because it's the first time I use that one here. So let's see which part is there. Alright, let's find it. Yeah, so you don't know Jamaica set up a little difference. The first me actually for other carrier company. Big up me G and thing. Blessed morning.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Welcome.
That is it. You know, I'm actually here to pick up a few packages for Jamaica Walk By.
Alright.
Blessed. Yeah, Massive, how we this? Let's go. Yeah, Massive, so you don't know. We're up and running now. See one bunch of things in my hand, big box and thing. From Mountrax. So we are go through here now if go check them out and make us see what go on. Mountrax, so get them you know. We are roll through. Alright. So another one. Let's go. Yeah, massive. So, you don't know. Give me the product. Give me the product. Make a review it and talk about it. You don't bother selling no pussy in a bag. Just give me the product, send it forward, and we review it and show the world what go on. You understand? So, yeah. Mountrax. So, Mountrax foot massager. Stay tuned. We are going to check it out and see how this thing works and see what it looks like. And you know, just telling a little bit about it and all of that. You don't know all massive, so yeah. Just stay tuned as we head back to the house. This is what I want. So again, big up to all the new subscribers them who just joined Jamaica Walk By. Please may I ask you, when I rule over a channel is just to like the video. Like the video and drop a comment, no problem with that. You don't know, support is just support over here, so we support each other. And everybody who is new, if you're a new YouTuber, you are a YouTuber, such, you can always promote yourself. You understand? You don't know. In the premiere section, you can drop your links and all of them stuff there, and or ask somebody to share your link, or just tell somebody who is a mandator or a moderator to just share your things. Eh? Yeah, that's it. Alright, massive, so I'm off the road and you wanna see me in the house and thing, you understand? So we're off the road and we're back in the house and we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see exactly what is inside of this package. See it, mad thing. Alright, so you know, we have a little tool to pull while go on. So we're not gonna see it just like how me I gonna see it for the first time. So this is again for all our massives them who just joined. This was sent to me. It's called the Mountrax foot massager. So this is the product we're gonna talk about today. Cause you know, so me always a walk, so. Yeah, so make you spin this round. Voila! Voila, voila, voila. Alright, so we have the Mountrax. You can catch the name. See there? Mountrax. Inspire your healthy lifestyle. Foot massager with remote control. What? Alright, so few other goodies on the box. You don't know. Yeah, so it is also heated and auto timer. And this is the black one. So you know me always walk up and down, and after a long day of walking, me really are gonna need something like this, you see me? So let's unbox this goodie. Alright, nothing else in this. Let's put that over there. Let's move that also. And this is what it looks like right out of the box. You catching this? So we have Lexian grip today. So yeah, that is it. So bam. Alright, so let's open it. Let's see where. So I have this right here. Alright, can rest this there. Alright. One thing I'm gonna need into I'm not gonna need the tool again. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need the tool. Where's the tool? Alright, voila. Bam this up. I don't know anything going on. Alright, so let's rest that there. Let's open this. Whew. Alright, let me just turn it this way so we can pull it out properly. I'm sure we can pull this out. Alright, let's go. Oh, we're actually on the wrong side, so let me flip it just to make sure that it come out nice and decent. Right. It's not that heavy or anything. It feels pretty light and thing. So let me spin it also. I want to see. Ooh, looks nice. Look good, man. Look good now, man. Yeah, Mountrax. Alright, let me rest this box over here. Alright, cool. Easy. Alright. So, yeah. I need a tool. Alright, I'm going to just rip it. Nice. Okay, first I'm seeing something like this. Nice and innovative. So Massive will not see it the same time as me I see it. So let me turn it to the camera so you can see it. Alright, let me rest this over here. Clean up the workstation. And voila! Alright, so we have the charger. This looks like the charger. Let's open this. Or the power supply. Oh yes, it is. So it comes with this wired charger here. Let's rush that there. You know me keep them here for moisture. So always. And oh, here's the remote. And this is what the remote looks like. Nice, simple design. I like the material so far. Yeah, this looks like you just use one of the round battery. Right, that's what's on the remote. Yeah, got it. Let's rest this over here. And you know this won't be possible without your user manual. See? So we have the user manual and thing. So far I see a couple different languages. Let's rest this here too. And let's put these over here. More maestro things. Alright. Nice. So let me peel this off. Voila. Brand new. So this is the Mountrax foot massager. So I'm gonna test this as well. I like the material. I like the material of this product. The material is really nice. It seems very iron material here. Just resting my hands in here like this too. It's very soft. It seems nice. So if you want one of these, when you're ordering, you have to bear in mind that this only goes up to a size 12 feet. So other than that, it probably won't fit you if you have a bigger feet than that, right? So it goes up to size 12, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So just want to test it and see how best this works, and I'm going to tell you about it as we test it. As you can see right around there, let me see where you put the power cord, you plug it in. I don't see that part, but we're gonna find it right about now as we test this baby right here. So you don't know, Mountrax probably just do this for the thumbnail like mad thing. Mountrax, let's do this. Alright, so we are gonna test this baby right now because God know them people walk there and they don't know. I was at a funeral service the other day for hours and I tell them my foot them feel fresh out. Oh, so right here I will plug the baby in. As I plug it in and get some power a while ago, I hear it beep. I'm not sure if no power in the remote. Let me see a battery in there. Probably no battery in there. Let me see. Alright, so pretty much I just press the power button and it comes on. Yeah. Nice and thing. So I don't know what I'm doing, so we're gonna find out. So at first, oh, feel like things are going inside there by just putting my hands in there. You can feel some things are roll like some ball, and whoa, this feel good. Even for my hand them, this feel good. Alright, let's put on the remote for a second. So when you don't know my football, I foot them are going out in a car. You know we not sell no pussy in a bag. When you don't mind my foot them in a car, my foot them not cute. My foot them not pretty. A yam and banana foot me have because country me grow up. And you don't know the walking things stay. If you don't have proper shoes, you go full up a can. You understand? So size 10 me wear. So my size 10 fit in it perfectly. Nice. Feel a little bit of room in there. So I'm putting the other foot. Ooh, feels so good. Alright. So you pretty much put it on like a shoes. Alright, let me pull this a little bit nearer. Alright. Wow. Let me see if the ear compression one. Let me see. Woo, child. Thank you, Jesus. We did need this. All right. So, whoa.
So tell us what's happening. What's the experience like?
So pretty much, I pressed the ear compression for high. So it moved from lower and actually have my foot fully sealed and secure inside there while the massaging equipment underneath penetrates my foot. Well, never say foot, because I 2 foot them in there, so feet. So, see release a while ago? Oh, God. So, if you look at me, so what it does, it feels like it has a layer moving up and down, and some ball are on here, and it coming closer and closer up until it, oh my God, it feels so good. See, release it again. So, each time it gets so tight, and massaging your feet, it releases and relax and then start the process all over again. Wow. So the heat is on too as well. Let me press it. So the heat is off now. Okay, so oh yeah. So it feels just like some eating thing is going on inside here too as well. But oh my God, yo, it feels super good though. Lexi, trust me, in a trouble car. Even me cannot edit right now and just have my foot inside of this while it massage Jamaica walk by foot them. So I'm going to turn on back the heat because God knows the heat make it feel extremely good. And yeah, so these are the roll bar. The roll bar, you can choose to put it on. Woo! Relaxing, man. Oh, so it's low, medium, and high. Hold on. Oh my God. Oh. Lexi, trust me, you need to try this. Massive on my walk, them are some serious walk to do. I was gonna say my walk for hours. So most time when I finish walking, man, foot them peeing up and can up. So with this baby right here, so, oh my God, I can't even talk, brother. It penetrate the muscles, and it penetrate the entire foot bottom. Like it roll from back to front, up to your toes and the sides. So it move back, front, sides, and with this the pressure keep on releasing. So it contract and relax and all of that. Meanwhile, everything, like there's so much thing going on inside here, and even the sides coming in and out. So it reaches to a level of your feet and then it releases and it's doing all these directions. While the roll balls and stuff roll in your foot. Working inside there, and then with a little bit of heat, oh my God, you know that I got increase your blood flow with the heat, you don't know. So this can also just release and prevent blood clots and stuff in your foot. Yeah, nice. Beautiful, it feels amazing. So massive, the Mountrax, oh, we can't even finish the video with this. I don't foot them thing. I like, yo, wait, I've got to lock it off. Alright, and by a touch of a button, see it start releasing all the corners from below and the sides. Everything seems to be releasing right now. Mad thing. Wow. We can't make this up massive. Oh, almighty. Feels good.
How do you feel now?
Feel like I put back my foot in it to go and chill. So, yeah, massive. So, the Mountrax is just definitely a really good buy. So far, this is the first time using it, first time seeing it and everything. I recommend everything when me feel right now. So, well, actually, I'm going to have the discount code in the description where if you want this, you can get a discount while you purchase, and you also can check out the website on this equipment. Everything will be below in the description on the Mountrax foot massager. You understand? Only thing I don't test is the remote because I don't think the battery is in there. So massive, look at it. It is just awesome. For me to rate this product, I'm just gonna tell you straight up. For me personally, this is a 10 out of 10. If me could have give some more, me give some more because I definitely needed equipment like this for my feet. And getting this, I just want to big up to the company who sent this product to us. and I'm fully recommending it. You understand? So all of my massive out there, if you don't know so I work from a hard day and think on the work on the foot and turn up on all them something there, get this. Get that something here. It near Mountrax. You understand? The Mountrax foot massager. Go get that something here. It nice. You understand? So big up every time. Thank you guys so much. All the other information will be in the description below. So if you like what you see, like the video and go get this. And get it at the discount rate too. You understand? Everything in the description. Righty? Let's see, I'm out because I got to know about this and
there you have it, guys. Tested and proven.
that is it.
So for feet recovery, you're suffering from foot pain, back pain,
Yep.
long day at work.
That is it.
Tested and proven by Mr. Walk by itself. Who better to test this product than a person who walks for a living?
That is it. Figure that.
Alright, guys.
Let's say you don't want to spa when you have this. So make you put your foot in there. Just give me a moment, you know? Me close the video, right? Big up every time.
Signing out.
Mad love and respect. Me I go and take a chill. Beautiful.